sport compact cars for 2024-2023 Audi RS 5. In the dynamic world of sport compact cars, the arrival of the 2023 Audi RS 5 is causing quite a stir among enthusiasts and automotive aficionados. Renowned for its potent performance, sleek design, and cutting-edge technology, the RS 5 represents the epitome of driving excitement and luxury in its segment. Under the hood of the 2023 Audi RS 5 resides a formidable powertrain that promises to exhilarate drivers with its raw power and precision engineering. Powering this athletic machine is a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, capable of unleashing a staggering 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS 5 delivers blistering acceleration and unparalleled traction, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds. But the RS 5 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver a thrilling driving experience through its exceptional handling and dynamic capabilities. Audi's engineers have fine-tuned the RS 5 suspension and chassis to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and agility. Whether carving through winding mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the RS 5 offers a level of performance and driving pleasure that is truly unmatched. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi RS 5 is a study in automotive elegance and aggression. Its sleek and athletic profile, complemented by bold RS-specific design elements such as the honeycomb grille, larger air intakes, and distinctive rear diffuser, commands attention and exudes confidence. Available in coupe and convertible body styles, the RS 5 offers versatility and style to suit a variety of preferences and lifestyles. Inside the cabin, the RS 5 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a sophisticated ambience, while advanced features like Audi's virtual cockpit, MMI infotainment system, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi RS 5 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS 5 represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS 5 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Audi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. Whether carving up canyon roads or cruising along the coast, the RS 5 promises an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression.